Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have this new product here that I purchased for one of the Tesla vehicles. So we'll be installing this dash cam from BlackVue to the Tesla Model Y3. So you can install this for Y3 or S and X, it doesn't really matter. The reason we're installing a dash cam is because we want to ensure we have a backup system, and also it records in 4K. So Tesla camera, the driving camera that can record, is no more than 720p, I would say, at best. The newer version 2.0, I would say, is around 1080p, but still not 4K. So 4K allows you to better read license plate, which is very critical in case if you get into any incident or you catch something on camera. There's a lot of incident online that people get away, even though they have a video, they couldn't tell to who the car belongs to because the Tesla camera cannot read the license plate when it's late in the evening or at nighttime, or if there's a light reflecting off the plate. The only time it can read the plate is if it's about 1 or 2 car length away. So if the car is speeding, the reading may not be able to be read by the Tesla dash cam, even Sentry mode. So this will be able to record while you're parked as well. If you have the smart battery that they have here, they call this the Magic Ultra battery. So this is their premium one. They have a smaller version that you can also get, and it's very easy to install. You just need to connect the power either to the cigarette lighter or direct connect to the power from the mirror. So the easiest way is to use the outlet and run this wire along the headline, down the side of the door, along the bottom trim to the center consoles. And I've done this before, and nobody can tell that the dash cam is being powered by this 12-volt outlet. And this 12-volt outlet can also be connected to this battery pack, which you can put underneath your seat or along the side of the center console towards the back. For the Model Y, it's a lot easier because you have the space underneath the seat. You can just buy a tray and put this under there, or just put Velcro and stick it down in the bottom there, and then run this power cord to the 12-volt to this battery to this camera. And the camera wire is very thin and durable, so it's definitely a type of fiber connection, high quality. And then for the battery itself, this extra wire extension, so you have plenty of wire to connect to the camera, to wherever you want to place this backup battery. And this is in a secure frame that if anything happens in the battery, it will be contained. You also have adhesive and pry tools to pull out the headliner slightly so you can run the wire. You have extra adhesive, you have cleaning alcohol pad. So they provide with everything, including a micro SIM as well. So 64. You can, of course, get a bigger memory card. And another thing that BlackVue has is that it has the ability to let you connect to the cloud. So you can hotspot this, and while you're away, just like the Tesla vehicle, you can actually store the video on the cloud. So if somebody breaks into your car, steal this camera or even that SIM card, or take out your Tesla USB jump drive from your glove box, you still have this as backup. And I always want a backup system because the Tesla Sentry mode, sometimes it gets corrupted or it doesn't record all incident, especially while you're driving. The dash cam miss a lot of the videos, and I'm not sure why. Every time they do a software update, it just causes issues with the recording. And also, if you don't know this, if you leave your car parked for about a week with Sentry mode on, your battery can almost drain 60% or more, depending on the traffic. So we always have to turn off Sentry mode despite long-term parking at the airport or at friend's house, family house while you're away, this might be the solution. So you can turn off Sentry Mode or turn it on whenever you need to, and then turn it off for the most part when you're away. Have this on. This backup battery will last for almost up to a week. So therefore, this will be running. You will be able to constantly record, won't tap into the 12-volt battery of your vehicle, and it won't drain your 12-volt battery too much where the half-life of that battery you have to replace sooner than later. So I'll post a link where you can find us and purchase this. It's currently going on sale right now. And in the next video, we'll do a full installation and also review video of the quality of the images. This also has GPS, so it will always know where you're currently at, and it uses GPS on the map, on the video, and it tracks in real time while you're driving, including your speed. So it can tell your speed, which Tesla video cannot. It doesn't have any data on there. It doesn't even have a date unless you go to the actual vehicle itself or you extract the file and see the date. But this actually has the date, the time, and the location, as well as the speed that you're going at. So very cool feature. It's almost like a black box, I would say, for your Tesla vehicle. And this is something you want to have if you are able to purchase it and install it yourself. Highly recommend it. Or you can hire somebody else to install it. It's fairly easy though. This thing is just a mug that they also sell if you're interested, or if you purchase a big product, they may send you this. We got a couple big items here. This is a most premium magic battery that they have, and this is the most premium camera that they sell. So they actually sent us a mug with it. So nice of them. And you have everything you need here. You don't need to purchase any other accessory. It's all in one, ready to be installed. And again, you can just tell by the quality of these wire, it will last a very long time. The camera itself, 4K, Ultra HD. Just to give you a look at the lens here. Very big lens. Almost identical to the Tesla new 2.0 camera, but this is 4K. So even the new Tesla hardware 4 camera is not as clear as this. And this is the back camera. You can have this can actually rotate forward and backwards, and we'll show you how it looks like inside the car. You just use adhesive, it'll be mounted back in the headliner, and that's the camera. Also a big lens. So okay, so stay tuned. We'll do the installation video in the next posting. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in this, definitely get on board. Just check out the review. It speaks for itself. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.